The 2016 Honda CR-V's convenience features elevate your driving experience. With Smart Entry on the CR-V EX and above, your CR-V knows it's you before you even step inside. You can lock, unlock, and start your SUV all without removing the keys from your pocket. Loading groceries has never been easier. Just approach the CR-V with the key fob in your pocket or purse and grab the door handle. Grab the front passenger's door handle to unlock all doors. Similarly, open the trunk with the trunk release button. Once inside, push the ignition button and you're good to go. Locking up is easy with the lock button located on the front door handle. If the key is in the cabin, the door won't lock, so you don't have to worry about locking your keys inside. Experience the 2016 Honda CR-V at Hendrick Honda Bradenton today.